Welcome back to the Wildtrak YouTube channel. Now recently we were up in Broome having an absolute ball on the Dampier Peninsula. We left the rigs behind and we used the quads to explore all the way through that region. So make sure you tune in for the rest of this episode. It's going to be awesome, and subscribe on the way through. G'day team, here we are in sunny Broome, and this place is chock full of adventure, and the best way to find some of those secret spots is to ask the locals. Now we're lucky enough that Karen, one of the members of our team, is a born and bred Broome girl.
That's right, Tony. This is our family home. We've got a mango farm, and you've probably seen Mum at the markets with her Matt Wallace mango products.
It is the best chutney you'll ever have. Now what's the plan for today?
Today we've got Uncle Mike and Dad, and they're going to take us up the peninsula to check out some secret spots.
Now I hear the best way to explore the peninsula is on the quad bike. Now we've got one more left to load on. This is going to be an absolutely fantastic adventure and I can't wait. Let's go.
Woo!
Okay, so we've just got onto the track and the corrugations are getting a little bit heavy, especially when you've got a heavy trailer like this one. It's always good to pull over and check your loads, not just your the actual straps and stuff like that. Check all your ropes, but also check your wheel bearings. If you can hold them and they're not too hot, then they're going okay. But if they start really starting to hurt your hand, then you're going to have a little bit of trouble there. So keep an eye on your wheel bearings. Now, here's a really good tip when it comes to your straps. What you do is you strap it and you actually have to flick it and say the words, "She's not going anywhere." If you don't say the words, you're just asking for trouble. So, here we are at the James Price Points Cliffs. This is stunning. Wowee. So we have made our way out to Red Bluff, and this is where we're going to be camping tonight. And check out this campsite. We're right on top of the cliffs overlooking the ocean. Whoa, this was a good one. This is an absolute cracker. All right team, we're wasting no time getting the quads off the trailers. Daryl and Mike are getting their quads ready and they're going to be taking us to a secret location. I've got no idea where this one is. I know it's that way somewhere, so I can't wait for this one. All right, let's go Dave, you ready to roll? Oh, Jesus.
That's how we roll, Tony.
Don't roll off the back of the cliff.
We've been coming here since we were kids. To me, it just feels like coming home. I love it. We've got the blue water, the red sand, the beautiful flora and fauna, and you can catch fish here too.
With the quad bikes off and all set up, it's time to leave the rigs behind and hit the beach. Last time I was on a quad bike, I was only knee-high to a grasshopper, and I've forgotten how fun these machines are. As we blast down the beach, you get a real sense of adventure. What a great way to explore this region. Just over the crest here is the Freshwater Creek Yellow River. Now we're going to go all the way up along the bank and look for somewhere awesome to have some lunch. This place is absolutely stunning. Let's go. Okay team, we've found a beautiful spot here on the Yellow River for a lovely Kimberley picnic. Actually, Karen, how's the Kimberley picnic going?
Unfortunately, we forgot the frying pan, but we've got a few options. Either way, we're going to have a picnic.
Well, I'm starving, so hopefully it will work because I've been looking forward to this one all day. But this area is stunning as a perfect consolation. Tell us a bit about it.
We call it Yellow River. It's spring fed up this way.
Yep.
It's surrounded by beautiful pandanus. We have tea trees and white gums.
There's a few paper barks and everything like that around. Yeah, that's fantastic.
It's an absolutely stunning place, cool place for a hot day.
No, definitely. Well, we're going to get stuck into trying to get these sausages cooked. I don't have a lot of hope, people, but you know what? Let's see what we can whip up here. I'm starving. Let's give it a crack.
Okay. At least I brought the tomato sauce.
Sausage on a stick. I think I may not necessarily be canary in the coal mine in this time. Let's go. It's not pretty, but we'll see. Oh, that's all right. Well, we managed to piece together a pretty rough lunch, but this location is far too epic not to explore. So I'm going to jump on and go for a bit of a solo look around.
We've been hooking up the river for 15 or 20 minutes now, and Tony's gone AWOL. We don't even know which way he's gone. So we've got half an hour of light left. We're going to have to go look for him.
This isn't good. I've done myself a little bit of mischief here. So I went around the wrong way and I found myself in a spot of bother. Yeah, so I've sunk the ATV and everyone just kept going and I was yelling out to them and they couldn't hear me over the bikes, and now I'm waiting for them to come back after they realise that I'm not there. So, I don't know. I guess we'll just wait and we'll have to winch out, see how we go. As the bike slowly sinks into the bog of eternal stench over here. Oh no. Oh well, I guess I'll just sit and wait. I'm hoping it's coming closer. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. It's not my bike. Surely they're coming closer. Oh well, let's see what happens on the other side of this. Alright, I think I can hear the bikes. The cavalry's finally on its way. And look, this is a bit of a dog's breakfast and we're running out of sunlight really quick. Yep.
What have we got here, mate?
I've done myself a mischief. Went along this bank, it just absolutely fell away into this bog hole over here and we are running out of light, so it's time to get the winch out.
You're not going anywhere at all, are you?
All right, let's get it done.
All right.
Every day's a school day, and I was lucky that I had the group around to help me get out of strife. And with the sun going down, it's time to get back down the river. Well, what an epic day that was. Lots of ups and downs and a little bit embarrassing getting the quad bogged. But look, Karen, thanks very much for sharing Yellow River with us. What an amazing place to grow up.
You're welcome, Tony. It really, truly is an amazing place.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed this episode of Wildtrak Off-Grid Off-Road. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out the rest of our socials.